One agent that I've been wanting to work on and put together is just a personal AI agent to kind of monitor emails and and my overall calendar. And that's been something that I just haven't had time. But probably about a month ago, I signed up for Google Labs CC Assistant that's just native to Gmail. So for the last month, as I was sitting down thinking about building out, a personal using, I was going to look at Claude Cowork to build out a personal AI agent. When I was putting together my thoughts and what I needed, I really looked at what Google's CC is already doing. And for
Mm,
me right now, it meets the need. When we talk about simplicity to set up, it's just a matter of signing up. You do have to be on a pro plan. But what it's doing is every morning it's sending me a daily brief. So it's looking at my email, it's looking at my calendar. It's letting me know in the morning what's due for that day. It's even giving me an estimate of how much time that a particular
mm.
task should take. So, for instance, there's a field trip due on Friday needs to be signed by Tuesday. And what's really great is that it's able to resurface the permission slip by just clicking the link. So I don't actually have to go back. You have to be signed up for,
Gemini Pro plan or like
yeah,
Gmail?
Google's Pro plan or Gemini's Pro plan.
Okay.
So you have to be on Google's Pro plan. So from that context, it's not necessarily free. But if you're already fully into Google's ecosystem, it's great in that regard. And it's reading your email. So it's letting you know for that week, that day. Let's say you have bills coming to your statements coming to your email. It's able to resurface that, your MX this month. The minimum is, what that minimum is due, what the date is. In addition to that, if you have meeting notes that are coming into your email. So for instance, our weekly sync, it's taking the Zoom recap and then resurfacing things that we discussed. So that I need to, submit content ideas by Tuesday. All of that is done there with no additional work. And a great thing is if for some reason CC misinterprets something, you just respond back to it and let it know. For instance, my Bank of America is on auto pay. I don't need an update monthly. I don't need a weekly or monthly update for that bill notice. And so she'll stop emailing you and including that in your daily brief.
Is it a side text chat? Is it like a text bot
No, it
or
comes in your email every morning in your email
so an email from CC?
from CC
Okay.
every day with
Okay. Okay. So you
with
can go back and forth with her.
you can go back and forth and if there's any assumptions that she's making that's incorrectly. For instance, we had attended a kid's birthday party and so CC captured the birthday and so it thought that that child was my child. So I emailed it back to say,
Mm.
no, that was only a friend. You can not count them as my child. So ease of use, again, super simple. You just sign up for it. For me, it's been a game changer. So yeah, so for me, it's been a game changer. Will I still take the time to put something together and Claude Cowork? Maybe or maybe not. But
Mhm.
again, I think it goes back to what you were saying earlier. If I feel like I'm missing something, maybe I will. But for now, this works. It's meeting my needs every day in my inbox. I have a list of all of my appointments, everything that's on my calendar, I get in my debrief every morning from CC.
If you got a story or question or a hot take that you'd like to put on the couch, be sure to drop it in the comments below. And we'll have a link in the description for our AI Simple Action Plan that we create for every single episode. You can take all the great ideas that we have and actually put them to use. And once you get that plan, you will be invited into our AI office hours where we are building together live because you've got questions and we've got great answers. Be sure to like and subscribe for the algorithm, and we'll see you next week. I'm Jerry.
I'm Kiana, and this is the Prompt Life.